Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Welcome to the spooktacular Halloween special on the Fluidart Express with my amazing art family and so many of the special guests we have that are a part of our art family. Before me, you would have seen the sensational, absolutely talented Creations with Tonya. Love her work. And I bet when I watch it later, it's going to be amazing because I'll probably be at work as I normally am when these collabs are on. But today we're going to have some fun because I just really want to swipe on a Herman head. So we're going to kick some tunes on, get some spooky effects happening, and let's have some fun. Alrighty, so I had to show you this guy before I paint on him because how cool does that look on that background? Herman. Who doesn't love Herman? Look at him. No. We are going to have some fun with him, but I thought before I cover him in pillow paint, you just had to see that because that's cool. Yeah. So we're going to kick some music on now and we're going to get Herman all messy.
Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed, the monster's in your head. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed, the monster's in your head. It's been keeping you up at night, deciphering what's truth and lies. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me, you can't run from me, 'cause the monster is living inside. Oh, the monster is living inside. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed, the monster's in your head. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed, the monster's in your head. It's been keeping you up at night, deciphering what's truth and lies. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me, you can't run from me, 'cause the monster is living inside. The monster is living inside. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head.
Alrighty, so we'll do a close-up reel of him because he's pretty cool, and once he dries, and I'll embellish him, put a little one of the battery operated tea light candles in the base, and I'm gonna do a skin on the back coming through too. So what I will do though, I will show you my last year's Halloween collaboration piece. It was called Boo, if anyone remembers. So I finished that one off, so I'm going to put that one up for everyone to have a look at today, and then next year come back and join us and you'll see this one embellished and finished off. Next up after me we have the amazing Tony and Cat Pender from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man, so make sure you come on over and join it because the Fluid Art Express never finishes till we have our amazing caboose, and on this Halloween special, I bet it's going to be something sensational. One definitely not to miss. So that is it for me. Happy Halloween, everyone. Go watch your favourite scary movie. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day.